Good morning, everyone. Good morning, and welcome back to today's edition of the Daily Dose of Destiny. I am Monita Baker, and I'm so thrilled to have you with us today on January 6th. We find ourselves on a Yin Earth Snake Day, and this is a stable day in the Tongshu calendar. So this day invites us to embrace wisdom, introspection, and the subtle transformations that lead to profound changes in our lives. So let's explore how this grounding energy can refine our spaces and our perspectives. Now, the Yin Earth Snake Day brings with it, this air of mystique and depth. Now, the snake, symbolizing intelligence, elegance, and healing, really encourages us to delve deeper into our understanding and to seek those inner truths. Now, the yin earth element, that gives us that grounding energy, and it provides a foundation for the introspection and for the thoughtful actions. Now, today is ideal for making those introspective pursuits and for making thoughtful, calculated decisions. The snake's energy supports careful planning and strategic thinking. So it's a day to embrace your inner wisdom and to approach tasks with mindfulness and with precision. Because when you think of the snake, they don't just go, right? They're sitting there for a minute. They're taking everything in. They're feeling the vibrations of the earth, right? And they're taking all of everything in. They can feel it all with their scales and everything. So take it all in, and be able to really tap into that inner wisdom to be able to make those mindful decisions that you might need to make today. Now, the contemplative nature of the snake might lead to excessive caution or, even secretive tendencies. So make sure that you balance that introspection with openness and with communication, which, for all of us, right? Communication is key. So utilize the yin earth snake's energy, to bring that stability and thoughtful consideration to your endeavors today. It's a day for quiet reflection and for nurturing the roots of your ambitions. So today, let's emphasize, the importance of regular cleaning in maintaining a positive flow of energy in our homes. Now, in Feng Shui, cleanliness is key to maintaining a smooth flow of qi, or that energy, right? That energy flow. So a clean and well-maintained space allows energy to, circulate freely, enhancing the overall well-being and the harmony of the environment. So regular cleaning, really helps in refreshing the energy of the space. It's not just about the physical cleanliness, but it's also about, rejuvenating the energy and dispelling, any stagnation or negativity that, that might be in the space. I mean, if you have, if there's been an argument in the space, or if you've just had some negative energy there, you had somebody visit that just had, just wasn't, the right kind of energy, then you want to make sure that you're getting rid of that. You want to get rid of that stagnation. You want to be able to clear that up. So we want to approach cleaning as, a mindful practice and see it as an opportunity to not only clean your space, but also to clear your mind. Now, this practice can be meditative and deeply satisfying. So, incorporate decluttering into your cleaning routine. Removing those unnecessary items not only frees up the physical space, but also creates, mental clarity and that emotional release. Now, today we continue with the second day of our Rapid Reset 3-day Feng Shui Declutter Challenge. And this began yesterday. And, embracing the reflective and meticulous energy of the yin earth snake, we're going to focus on deep cleaning and rejuvenating our spaces. Now, this is a crucial step in resetting our environment and allowing for that fresh, positive energy to flow. So there's still time, to join us as we delve into, impactful cleaning and decluttering methods, and, really transforming our homes into the sanctuaries of peace and positivity that we want. So let's make the most of this opportunity to cleanse and to renew our space. And let me know, I'm curious to hear about, your experiences with the declutter challenge so far. How has it impacted the energy of your space? So share your stories, share your insights with us here. That's the heartbeat of our Daily Dose of Destiny community. All right, now let's harness this yin earth snake's energy, for that thoughtful organization and for renewal today. Creating those living spaces that reflect clarity and tranquility. So I hope you have a peaceful and fulfilling day. I will see you next time. And until then, I'm Monita Baker. And as always, happiness is now, everyone. Take care.